Thank you very much. Questions? Before picking up the first question, let me ask you two quick questions. First of all, I've noticed that quite a lot of people fail in your group because of pneumonia. Usually this is not a very usual cause of failure of weaning, pneumonia. Probably you are too aggressive. I'm asking, do you start weaning with high FiO2? Because researchers have think that we should be a little bit more aggressive and start weaning when oxygenation has not really improved. Conventional weaning approach is that when I need an FiO2 of less than 50%, usually 40%, I start weaning. And now I wonder, you had only COPD and pneumonia failures, correct?
Yeah.
All the patients that failed were 10 had COPD and 6 had pneumonia.
Yeah, in the failure group, a lot of COPD and pneumonia patients. Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't probably remember the FiO2 that you were using.
FiO2 was not pretty high in the pneumonia patients, I think. Yeah.
And
it's a weaning. It's a weaning study, and we only enrolled patients ready to wean.
And a second small point: if you wanna really compare the performance of the Tobin index, probably you have to do it at the first or second minute. If you go into your data, you see that this was how it was actually measured initially. So in the first minute, you have a bigger separation of the success and failure groups. So probably at 5 minutes, the discriminative ability goes a little bit lower. This has been proven in many studies. Anyway, any other, Leo? You can ask whatever you want.
Congratulations on your wonderful study.
Thank you.
I have one question. Are you not surprised that the neuroventilatory efficiency doesn't change during a weaning trial in the patients that failed?
Yeah, that's a good point. And neither the neuroventilatory efficiency, the neuromechanical efficiency, and the EDI changed during the spontaneous breathing trial. And maybe that to see 30 minutes is too short to, maybe we can prolong to 2 hours and see whether they will change or not. But in our study, 30 minutes, they did not change.
I can't remember exactly, but did EDI go up in the patients that failed the trial or not?
No. It's also plateau during the spontaneous breathing trial, the 30 minutes, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Did you separate the different patients, such as COPD patients, into different, subgroups to analysis and to find out the cutoff value? Because I think in COPD patients, they will have a very, high EDI, but they can also wean successful. And this will influence your result maybe significantly. Thank you.
Yeah, we have not subgroup analysis yet, but it's a good idea to analysis the COPD patients separately, I think, yeah.
I think that for thresholds, especially for prediction, you need a little bit more patience just to be able to be a little bit more reliable in your prediction. All studies in weaning predictors that used initial 10 or 20 patients had very good prediction, and when they repeated the prediction in larger samples of patients, the prediction went down. So probably you need a little bit more bigger sample to have subgroup analysis and make the prediction more accurate.
Yeah.
Okay.